In this video, you are going to see how to put an image into a table in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Here, I have a blank presentation. Let us go to Insert, go to Table, choose a 3 by 3 table and use this point and adjust it like this. Now, click on the cell, go to Table Design, go to Shading, go to Picture, click on From a File and choose the picture from your computer. Let us choose this picture, click on Insert. Then it will be inserted. If you want to insert another image in this cell, click on over here, go to Shading, go to Picture. You can use the online picture. Let us click on From File. Let us choose this picture, click on Insert. Then it will be inserted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.